This video will demonstrate the recommended installation and setup. The brewer must be disconnected from the power source throughout the setup, except when specified. Remove the shipping cap from the fitting at the rear of the brewer. Securely attach the provided fitting assembly to the water fitting. Attach main water line to the male flare fitting. Turn on water supply and verify no water leaks are present. Connect the brewer to the power source. Turn on the main on-off switch located on the lower right of the brewer. Press the Enable Brew On-Off button to initiate the filling process. The display screen will read, "Please wait. Tank filling until tank is filled with water. Ensure a funnel and a container is under the spray head as some water will drip from the funnel during this time. Wait approximately 20 minutes for the water in the tank to heat to the proper temperature. Water temperature will be displayed during this time. When the water temp is at operating temperature, ready to brew, will show on the display screen. After the tank is filled, place a small container beneath the faucet and open the faucet handle. Release it when you hear the tank start to refill. The brewer is now ready for brewing.